Prevention is an important part of the overall plan. It's key to keeping cattle healthy so they'll perform to their best. Facility maintenance is another part of that.
Feed bunks are the engine of a feed yard. You need to monitor your feed bunks to make sure you have adequate space available, adequate feed in the bunks, and also monitor that feed to make sure that there's not any moldy, spoiled, or unpalatable feed available to the cattle. You need to always take a look at your waters. Make sure you have plenty of clean, clear water available for these cattle to consume.
A primary cause of injury to both handler and livestock are slippery surfaces, loading chutes, processing facilities, and corners in alleys. These are all areas you should give some special attention to. Depending on the location, you can minimize slipping by installing rubber mats, grooved concrete, metal grating without sharp edges, deep sand, and sawdust. In places that water can puddle and freeze, haul in dirt or gravel to raise the level of the ground. Also, have your crew look for broken panels, gates, fences, or protruding nails. These things can cause bruising or permanent injury to cattle and handler. Notice how this gate is bent. Cattle could get behind it and knock it closed, causing stress for the animals and headaches for the handlers.
It's important that the gate at the end of the scale is an open gate built out of pipe so that the animals perceive that there's some place to go, as opposed to a gate covered with sheet metal. So we need to build gates that cattle will be willing to approach, and from that point on, then we use gates simply to group cattle. We don't use gates to force cattle.
At this feed yard, they added some material here to make a solid side. And this is important because as the cattle come up this alley, they would be able to see the people standing around the squeeze chute. And if they see the people standing around the squeeze chute, they're not going to come up. Now, one bad thing here is this, it flaps. It really should be tied down. If something flaps, that's going to make your animals balk.
Facilities are the foundation for working livestock safely. They can interfere with cattle movement and the processing of cattle throughout the day. If you've got a gate that needs attention, you need to fix it yourself or get somebody to come fix it. Whatever the case, make sure you get it fixed.
Facilities are the foundation of a feed yard. Make sure you eliminate stress by keeping things in repair. It will help your stress level just as much as the cattle.